24 hours before the exam. The most stressful and chaotic 24 hours of a student's life.
Tomorrow my exams are starting.
Running on zero sleep, endless anxiety.
We have 14 hours to go.
Join me to see if I survive the most intense last-minute cramming session. This is the ultimate pre-exam struggle.
टाइम बचा है पढ़ने कितना टाइम
Exactly 10 minutes बचा है.
This video is kindly sponsored by Squarespace.
The day I hate the most is finally here. I hate it, but from tomorrow my exams are starting. My pre-final exams, so like even though they're not as serious as my final exams, on the basis of these exams, I will get to sit in my final exams. Like if I fail in these, then I won't even be able to give my final exams in the first place. What the? You guys have to see this. यहाँ पे अभी 4 pigeons थे. Oh my god, they look so scary. I don't know guys, but I am scared of pigeons. I am gonna be vlogging 24 hours before exam. My hair looks very weird, but yeah. My plan is to have like a morning study session and then I'm gonna go for bath because I don't know, like exam season mein, I'm just being very honest. Taking bath every day gets a little hard for me, for someone like me. So I'm gonna be taking a good bath today. I don't know how to feel about this because like I'm scared, but at the same time, डरने से क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, let's study for some time now. I have my pediatrics exam tomorrow. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go for a quick bath. Guys, I'm out from the shower. I'm quickly gonna be changing my outfit. I forgot to take an extra towel just because I had to wear the clothes that I was wearing before. But I'm gonna change to my skincare and everything. Yeah, can't stop thinking about my exam tomorrow. And also one more thing that I can't say right now, but I will share it with you all hopefully very soon. So hard to keep secrets, honestly. By the way, iske baad, I don't know if there will be an exam vlog. This is probably gonna be my last exam vlog. I just want to give my very honest opinion about this product. I gave my first opinion when I unboxed this. This is my favorite skincare product. I can say that very like honestly. I've done my hair wash abhi. I'm wearing this iconic t-shirt that the OGs would know ये कहाँ से है. अब दिल्ली में इतनी गर्मी start हो चुकी है. But I'm scared कि मेरे exam time पे like the final जो मेरे final exams होंगे, that's gonna be happening in April. I don't know, बहुत गर्मी होगी. मैं रूम में कैसे रहूँगी क्योंकि मेरे रूम में AC भी allowed नहीं है. जल्दी से बैग पैक करते हैं and then let's leave ASAP. iPad और headphones. Okay guys, so we're all ready now. Let's go. Excited to go to the reading room honestly. आज मन ही नहीं कर रहा. अब मेरा मन कर रहा बस रेस्ट कर लो. पढ़ लिया भाई तो पढ़ लिया. कुछ पता है, कुछ टॉपर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले पढ़ते ही नहीं. दे आर लाइक अब हम चिल करेंगे, अब हमने पढ़ लिया. कहाँ से आते हैं ऐसे लोग?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. But 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what am I supposed to do?
So we got something to eat. Guys, I got my lunch. Usually तो हम कुछ देखते देखते खाते हैं. But honestly, अभी इतना syllabus बचा है, so I think I'm gonna eat this while studying only. I also got some coffee because obviously
you ever felt that after studying so much or making so many notes, you just want to make money out of it? Guys, I found the perfect website for you. It's Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one website platform for entrepreneurs to stand out and succeed online. You can sell anything here, from products to even content. Squarespace makes it super easy to monetize your content by selling access to online courses, blogs, videos, or even your notes. Simply set the price and you can even choose to charge a one-time fee or a subscription for access. They also have integrated SEO tools that will help show up your website more often on the search engines and bringing in more of your ideal customers. Of course, my favorite part about them is their design tools. There is Blueprint AI that helps you build a fully customized website in just few steps. Apart from that, they also offer a complete library of professionally designed and award-winning website templates. So don't forget to head to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Advika Singh to save 10% on your first purchase of a website or a domain.
Okay guys, so we're finally taking a break now. I really need to go to hostel. मतलब मुझे washroom use करना है basically. अभी how is the progress? How is your progress?
I haven't even finished the syllabus yet. I have to start revision at 6. It's 6:30 right now.
I can't relate. मेरा तो सब हो चुका है एक बार. अभी मैं दूसरी बार रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. इसमें मेरा आधा रिवाइज हो चुका है, तो आई थिंक मेरी थर्ड रिविजन भी हो पाएगी.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है, शर्म नहीं आती.
मास है भेजे में. अब मास क्या हो सकता है?
ये लिखोगे आप भेजे में वहाँ से.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही which is weird because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सो गई कल. So today the plan was to sleep less, but I am already not feeling well और मुझे थोड़ा डर लग रहा है अब क्योंकि 7 PM हो गया. मुझे literally पता नहीं चल, मतलब मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है अभी 4 बज रहे हैं या 2-3 बज रहे हैं, but it's 7 PM. मुझे थोड़ा रोना आ रहा है, but मैं रोऊं कैसे समझ नहीं आ रहा. We have 14 hours to go.
So a lot of people keep asking me, how do you study when you're not feeling like studying or you're just not motivated enough? So the real answer to that is, first of all, if I don't feel like studying, I prefer not to study. But on days like these when I have my exams coming up, I can just not study, you know what I mean? So I just do little things that make me happy, like having fruits or listening to music. That helps me a lot. Listening to some music that makes me feel nostalgic and happy, that puts me into such a good mood. So if you're ever feeling demotivated, just do something that will make you happy and then continue doing your work. You might feel a lot much better while doing it then.
हमारी प्यारी शिखा ने मेरे लिए एप्पल भेजा because I told her I'm not feeling well and I need some fruits. खुल जाए मुझसे मतलब. Thank you Shikha. इसमें मेरा favorite fruit pomegranate भी है. So I'm so happy now. So now Akshay and I are gonna go to the car and हम दोनों एक साथ एक टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे कुछ मुझसे अकेले तो नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा. I got rajma rice की एक थाली. I am hungry but at the same time I don't even know what I want. This is kind of like stress eating honestly. It's 10 PM now. We have 11 hours जिसमें से I'm planning to sleep at 10 so that I'm planning to sleep at 12 so that I can wake up so that I can wake बोला तक नहीं जा रहा. So that I can wake up around 6 AM because हमारा कल एग्जाम है around 9, मतलब around क्या at 9. Akshay told me he's ordering dal rice. What is this? What is this prank, Akshay?
Italian dal rice.
Anyway, so we're gonna have our dinner now. Guys, I'm I'm back in my room and I've changed into some comfy PJs. It's 11:30 PM, so we have about 9 hours more to go. बहुत डर लग रहा है guys, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मुझे उतनी टेंशन क्यों नहीं हो रही जितनी मुझे होनी चाहिए. मुझे इस बात की टेंशन हो रही है कि मुझे उतनी टेंशन क्यों नहीं हो रही है. मुझे तो 12 o'clock सुना था, but I don't think वो हो पाएगा. I think I'll sleep a little late only. It's exact 2 AM. मुझे लगा था अभी थोड़ा होगा. I'm about to sleep now. 7 hours are left for the exam. जिसमें से 5 घंटे तो मैं सोऊंगी. 2 घंटे ही बचे हैं मतलब, which is insane. अब ना मेरी eyes are like paining and like they are like Advika सोचा like they're shutting. So it's better that I sleep so that I can study more productively tomorrow. Because अभी मैं पढ़ूंगी भी तो भी वो मुझे याद नहीं रहेगा. Okay guys, I'm gonna be sleeping now and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. It is almost 8 PM now. So my exam starts in about an hour now. अभी भी मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है, but अब नहीं सो सकते. Anyways, let's study guys. I have an exam today guys. Is the scam I have faced. तो अभी तक I thought exam 9 o'clock है, कुछ मुझे कोई इंसान कल से बोल रहा था 9 o'clock है. Now the same person is telling me that exam starts at 9:30. I don't know if I should be happy or relieved. I have about 30 minutes और अभी भी मुझे like धक हो रहा है.
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक हो रहा है.
Guys, it's time to leave. It's 9:05 तो मैं जल्दी से अभी रेडी होने वाली हूँ and I'm gonna leave ASAP. Super scared. My exam starts in 30 minutes. बोलने का टाइम नहीं है. जल्दी से let's get ready. Okay guys, वैसे तो इस जैकेट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट अभी ठंड है, बाद में गर्मी हो जाएगी. Packing my bag. मैंने अपना बैग भी पैक नहीं करा. मैं कर क्या रही हूँ? Where is my bag? Okay guys, I am gonna quickly leave for breakfast now. खाते खाते कुछ रिवाइज कर पाऊंगी तो ग्रेट. आई एम सुपर स्कैर्ड गाइस. लेट्स गो. Exactly 15 minutes left. I've left hostel now. I'm one of the last to leave. Let's go. Iconic गाना चल रहा है.
कितने टाइम बचा है पढ़ने? कितने टाइम बचा एग्जाम?
अभी मैंने डिहाइड्रेशन का
कितना
भी
टाइम
कितना बचा है. Exactly 10 minutes बचा है. चलो. Okay guys, I'm gonna keep my phone inside now.